Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to Max Online class once again. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the third method of finding the value of a variable in a linear equation. The third method is the cross multiplication method. Actually, it is not a particular method, but it is one way of solving the solution to an equation. How we find out the value of variable using cross multiplication method? Dear students, let us solve some examples so you can clearly understand that. So look at the first question here, third question, first one A. X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 9 upon 15. This is the question, and here before cross multiplying we have to do some necessary solution here. So I am going to take this 1 to RHS. So here this plus 1 that changes to minus 1, so it will be x upon 3 is equal to 9 upon 15 minus 1. Minus 1 means it is 1 upon 1. So as it is fraction, here we want to find out the LCM of 15 and 1. The LCM of 15 and 1, you know that x upon 3 is equal to 9 upon 15 minus 1 upon 1. 1 we multiply by 15 because LCM is 15 only. So it will be x upon 3 is equal to 9 minus 15 upon 15. So x upon 3 is equal to 9 minus 15 means it is negative 6. Negative 6 upon 15. Now students, you know that now we can cross multiply. So in this way, x into 5 we multiply, x into 15 we multiply, and 3 into negative 6. So it is equal to, x is equal to 3 into negative 6 upon 15. Here we can cut 3 ones are, 3 5s are. So the x value is equal to, x is equal to negative 6 upon 15. X is equal to negative 6 upon 15. I think students, you understood that. So first of all, if anything is there to solve, we have to solve that necessary calculations, and then after finally we can cross multiply. Now in this stage we are cross multiplying, cross multiplication. After this we are cross multiplying x into 15 and 3 into negative 6. Then after we find out the value of x. Look at the next question, students. Here you can see that here x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1. Here students, you can see that the x variable is there in both sides, LHS and RHS. Therefore this variable we take from this side to another side. So I am going to rewrite this x upon 2 minus x upon 3, and this changes to minus x upon 3, that is equal to 1. So here we take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So we add it, we subtract it. In order to subtract, we need to find out the LCM. Therefore, it is a rational number. That is why. Therefore, the LCM 2 x upon 2 we should multiply by 3 and minus x upon 3 we multiply by 2 so that we will get 6, and x upon 3 here also we multiply by 2. That is equal to here 1. And 3x minus 2x minus 2x upon 6 is equal to 1. So here 3x minus 2x, 1x. 1x minus negative 2x is equal to negative 1x upon 6. That is equal to 1. 1 means 1 upon 1. Now we can cross multiply. In this stage we cross multiply. Cross multiply, then it will be negative x into 1, that is equal to 1 into 6. Therefore negative x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to negative 6. So students, here we first of all we take the variable in one side, and then after we find the LCM and make the denominator equal, and then subtract it. Then finally we cross multiply and find out the value of x. D, you see here 3x plus 7 upon 3x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 7. Here students, we cannot solve anything here. In this side everything is solved, and now we are cross multiplying. The first step is so 7 into 3x plus 3x plus 7 and is equal to 1 into 3x plus 1. 7 into 3x. This is according to distributive property. With the outside number, we have to multiply both terms of inside number, inside expression. You studied the multiplication of algebraic expression. So 7 into 3x is equal to 21x, and 7 into 7 is equal to 49. That is equal to 1. If we multiply by 1, we get 3x plus 1, same number only. Now x and x, you can see both sides that we bring to one side. 21x minus 3x, and this 49 I am going to take 1 plus this 14 plus 49 changes to minus 49. So 21x minus 3x we subtract, then we get 18x is equal to 40, negative 48. 1 minus 49 is equal to negative 48. Therefore, x is equal to negative 48 upon 18. Then we can cut and reduce, then we get 24 upon 9. So, x is equal to negative 24 upon 9. So here students, we can cut it by 3 itself again. We can cut 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9. So the final answer is equal to x is equal to negative 8 upon 3. Next question, here you can see that x minus 2 upon 7 minus 3x plus 5 upon 6 is equal to negative, this negative, it is not the symbol of this one, it is subtraction. Subtract 5x minus 7 upon 18. So here, in order to subtract these two, we need to find out the LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6 only. So here x minus 2 upon 3. 3 we have to multiply by 2. At the same time, upside also we multiply by 2. Subtract 3x plus 5 upon 6 is equal to this negative. Negative into positive, negative 5x, and negative into negative, positive 7 upon 18. Why? Because this negative is common for both numbers. Common here, not only it is not the symbol of 5x only, but it is common for 5x and 7. That's why we multiply. Negative into positive is equal to negative, and negative into negative is equal to positive. In that way, we change it. And here, students, we multiply 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 2, 4 upon 6 minus 3x plus 5 upon 6 is equal to negative 5x plus 7 upon 18. And now here denominators now equal, so we can subtract the numerators. 2x minus 4 subtract 3x plus 5 divided by 6 is equal to negative 5x plus 7 upon 18. And here we subtract 2x minus means second numbers, all symbol we have to change. So we can rewrite it 2x minus 4 plus negative 3x minus 5 upon 6 is equal to negative 5x plus 7 upon 18. Then here you can see that 2x minus 3x is equal to negative x. 5 negative 4 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 9 upon 6. That's equal to negative 5x plus 7 upon 18. Now students, we cross multiply. So 18 into negative x minus 9 is equal to 6 into negative 5x plus 7. 18 into negative x, negative 18x, and negative 162 is equal to 6 5s are negative 30x and plus 42. Now here you can see x both sides, so we bring to one side. Negative 18x plus 30x is equal to this 162, we bring to another side, plus 162. So students, here we subtract, then we get 12x and here 204. Therefore x is equal to 204 divided by 12. Here you can see that how many times it is. By 12 we can cut one time in 20, 8, 84, 7 times. So x is equal to 17. So here students, first of all we subtracted this. In order to subtract, we have found out the LCM and make the denominator equal. Then after we cross multiply, and finally we found out the value of x. So for f, you look at here on the board, x upon 3 minus 2 upon 5 upon 7 upon 15 minus 3x is equal to negative 11 upon 30. Here students, here it is actually two fractions. Here one numerator and upon, then denominator here, and this is also fraction. So here we can cross multiply 30 with this fraction and 11 with this fraction. So I am going to rewrite it like this: 30 into upside 1 means x minus x upon 3 minus 2 upon 5 and is equal to negative 11 multiplied by 7 upon 15 minus 3x. 3x means 3x by 1 we can write, no problem. And here we multiply both these numbers. 30 into x upon 3 minus 30 into 2 upon 5 is equal to, here also negative 11 into 7 upon 15 minus negative 11, or minus into minus, that changes to plus, 11 into 3x upon 1. So here students, you can see that when we multiply, we can cut it. 3 tens are 30, that means 10 into x, 10x minus 5 6 are 30, that means 6 2s are 12, is equal to, here 7 into 11, we cannot cut any number, 7 into 11, negative 77 upon 15 and plus 33x. So now we bring this x and x in one side, 10x minus 33x, and this 12 I bring to another side, then negative 77 upon 15 plus 12. 12 means 12 upon 1. So here students, we want to find out the LCM. Here you can see that 10x minus 33x is equal to negative 23x. That is equal to negative 77 upon 15 plus 12 upon 1. We should multiply by 15 because LCM is 15 only. So therefore we get here is equal to negative 23x is equal to 77. Negative 77 plus 15 into 12 is equal to 180 divided by or upon 15. Then here we add it. Negative 23x is equal to, one is negative and another is positive, we have to subtract, so we get 103 upon 15. Now here we want to multiply, therefore negative x is equal to 103 divided by upon 15 into 23. This, when we take to other side, it changes to division. Therefore negative x is equal to 103 upon, here we multiply 23 and 15. We multiply is equal to 345. So negative x is equal to 103 upon 345. Therefore x is equal to 103 upon negative 103 upon 345. Student, question number G. All of you see that 20 minus x minus 3 upon 2 minus x minus 2 upon 3 minus x minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0. Students, here we want to subtract this. In order to subtract, we want to take the LCM and make the denominator equal. But before subtracting, the rule of subtraction is addition with the additive inverse of second number. So here I am rewriting accordingly. 20 subtraction means addition with the additive inverse. Negative x, and this all symbol will change. Positive x changes to negative and negative changes to positive, and here again subtraction changes to addition, and negative x plus 2 upon 3, and here again subtraction changes to addition, negative x plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0. Now students, we want to take the LCM, but before taking the LCM, this 20 I am shifting to another side, so it will be negative x plus 1 upon 2 plus negative x plus 2 upon 3 plus negative x plus 3 upon 4 is equal to this 0 minus 20. And now we can take the LCM. LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12 only. So we multiply this first number, negative x plus 1 upon 2. Here we multiply by 6 and here also 6, plus negative x plus 2 upon 3. And here we multiply by 4 and plus negative x plus 3 upon 4. Here we multiply by 3 in order to get 12 is equal to negative 20. Now students, here we can multiply 6 into negative x is equal to negative 6x plus 6 and plus negative 4x plus 8 plus negative 3x plus 9 upon 12 is equal to negative 20. And here I am going to bring the like term together, negative 6x minus plus negative 4x plus negative 3x plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 upon 12 is equal to negative 20. Now I am adding this 6x plus negative 4x plus negative 3x. Everything is negative, so we add negative 13x. Negative 13x, and here plus 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, plus 23 upon 12 is equal to negative 20. Negative 20 means negative 20 upon 1. Now we cross multiply here. So 1 into negative 13x plus 23 is equal to negative 20 into 12. So that we get negative 13x plus 23 upon 20 into 12, 240, negative 240. Now this 23 will be taken to another side, so negative 13x is equal to negative 240 minus 23, that's equal to negative 13x is equal to negative 263. So therefore x is equal to negative 263 upon negative 13. That is equal to x is equal to 263 upon 30. So students, here you know that there are various steps involved. First of all, we subtracted this. For subtracting, we found out the LCM and then we subtracted. Then after here we cross multiplied the number. Then finally we got the value of x. X value is 263 upon 30. So students, there are some more questions that is a homework for you. You try yourself so that you can understand it clearly. So whenever you solve yourself, you will find out what problem you are facing to solve a question. So accordingly you can rectify it. So students, I think it is time to close today's class. So you complete your classworks and homeworks. So I wish you a nice day for everyone. Thank you.